Hi PMP lovers. Once you enrolled in this PMP Exam Simulator, you will find the view like this. Here in the left pane you find the course titles, the chapter titles. The first one is a sample exam, which is totally free, and its view is like this. The question 1 of 10, it's the sample exam. Read the question and then answer and then submit. If the answer is correct, it will turn into green. If the answer is wrong, it will turn into red. And once you successfully submit the answer, it will not be changeable. Next, read the question and then find the option. In your opinion, if the right option is D, we select D and then submit. It turned to green. This means the answer is correct. Then next, question number 3. Read the question. Initiating, I selected, then submit. Turn slow. What happened? If the answer is wrong, it would turn into red. On the left side, we can see what is in this course. A sample exam is free. Project management process, framework and integration. Here are the lessons. This is open. You can select the option. Which one of the below is topic is the most difficult in PMP exam? The procurement. Presently there are 15 lessons in this PMP Exam Preparation Simulator. Risk management calculation. So we will solve the complete and then check the final answer. Will I pass this exam? The internet connection seems slower. Project charter is created in I selected the option number B. High-level project schedule constraint have just 20 to find what project management process group are you in. Project schedule initiative. Project manager. It's the last question. Next. Oops, I failed. I have correct 7 answers correctly. I did 7 answers correctly. Question number 3, 7, and question number 10. These questions answers was wrong. If you want to retake, click on the retake. If you want to take, if it is completed, you will move to next. You can solve the next only when you enrolled. Sample exam you have solved. Successfully. Let's have the title here as well. Click complete and continue. Then marks as 6% completed the course. Then practice exam. Let's have 50 MCQs. So you need to solve same like a sample exam.